Happy Boxing Day, my ladies and my gents. Hadn't really planned on doing a video today. It is day after Christmas, but I had some stuff yesterday that I really would like to talk about. Went to my little brother's house for Christmas dinner and Christmas, exchanging gifts and whatnot. And uh, he's got his wife and had twin boys and his older son. And of all people, his ex-mother-in-law was there as well. Uh, the mother of his ex-wife, who has since passed on, and basically really has nobody left in town to visit with. She's an elderly lady, and so never had a problem with her. My brother's never had a problem with her, but so bring her on over. She needs to have some family around, and it's fun to have her. God bless you, Sue. Love you. So we had our wonderful dinner. My brother, his family cooked up a mess of food. Chicken, prime rib, uh, had sweet potatoes, baked sweet potatoes. Oh my goodness, those were melting your mouth. Had green beans, cranberries, homemade cranberry sauce, not out of the can. So, all this, it was, I ate too much. But nope, no turkey. Nope, didn't have any turkey. So, but anyway, went on to the gifts, and I thought I'd talk about them because my brother got me something that I have been looking at and thinking about and kind of putting off. And he got me a whole set. And I was like, when I saw what it was and I was unwrapping it, oh my goodness, it was amazing. So, anyway, let me talk about it because Dave, bro, I love you. That was great. So hang on, let me get the camera turned around and we'll talk a little bit about what all we got. All right, well, this is the quick and easy part. What my mom got me is the 64 Mercury Comet Pro Touring Edition. And y'all have seen it online. It's a recent Moebius, there we go, Moebius thing. And I just thought it was just absolutely cool. And I wanted one. And mom told me, I gave her a whole list of stuff that I was wanting. And she said, well, don't buy nothing, not till after Christmas. So I got, yeah, it's even got yeah, it's, yeah, I'm going to have fun with that. I may even have fun and build it box stock. I don't know. So anyway, that's what my mom got me. Now let me pull out what my brother got me. All right. Well, this is what I opened first. And I'm looking at it going, okay, that's really cool. And just a couple of days ago, I was trying to use my big battery operated drill as a Dremel. And the chuck is so big that it just, this whole part here was just so big that it was difficult to work with. And so I got these and I'm thinking, wow, hey, maybe I can do something with it. And I didn't really think much about it. I haven't yet opened it up. And then I went to opening my big package. He got me this puppy. It is battery operated. It's got all kinds. I haven't even opened the box yet. And I thought we might have a little bit of fun and open it up together. But it is, I mean, my goodness. So let's take a look at what we got. Let me see if I can. Come on now. I got it glued well enough. Oh, nice. Okay, let's set you aside because we have nice. Unzip. That's quite a. It's got some stuff here, some little tools. We have got the charger. We've got the battery. We've got the deal itself. And looks like most important, whoops, we have the instructions, which I am going to go ahead and look through just to make sure that I'm not screwing it up. So, but yeah, this thing is a monster case. It looks like it even comes with a stand for somehow or another. I'm not sure how. That's something I'm going to have to look. Whoops, there we go. I've got the stand here. I'm not quite sure how that works in, but that's one of the things I've got to read up on. Let's see, battery fits. Maybe it's a hanger. Yeah, I think it's a hanger. So battery showing critically low. Very smooth, very quiet. And it looks like down here, zoom in just a little, it's got the various levels that tell you, again, having to look at it, just how fast it's going. Good Lord. Yeah, the battery needs charging. But I mean, this thing is freaking awesome. But yeah, I'm gonna have to look at the instructions and check everything. Gotta have to charge the battery. So, but now let me set this aside and get out the parts. Okay, let's do this. I was gonna open it up yesterday, but I noticed it had a couple of wire ties on it. I've got an old beat up pair of nippers. Let me zoom in because it's kind of comical. I have, whoops, get it to zoom, chopped them up to the point of they're almost useless for anything. And I use them for stuff that'll normally tear up stuff. So I just keep them, hang on to them. Why not? So what we got, it says 160 pieces. Oh my goodness, look at all of this. Zoom in a little. Oh my gosh. Got cutting wheels. Nice, nice. For doing those things like you want to cut off half the floor out of a kit. Sanding wheels, different sizes. Look fairly coarse. And need to figure out what that is. It says easy twist on it, and I'm not sure. Maybe it's some kind of a lock thing. Oh my. A whole bag of sanding drums. Well, let me look here because I didn't notice. Nope, those are the only 3. Oh, we got several more sanding discs down here. They all look pretty coarse. Doesn't say what they are, but they all look pretty coarse. I've got several little deals here. I've got some others that I use also similar to these. We got a little, let me get the light so it'll shine a little bit better on this. Yeah. 2 different mounting things and got a tool, and hey, we got instructions. Very important for stupid people like me. We got buffing wheels. Got big buffing wheels, little buffing wheels, and we even got some Jeweler's Rouge. Hey, we're getting uptown now. Wire brush. My goodness. Okay, this is going to take some reading, some looking, and some studying to see just how everything works together. My goodness gracious. Yeah. Um, wow. I'm blown away. Dave, Elizabeth, Zach, Ian, Jacob, thank y'all. Man, I'm blown away. I love you guys. So, all right. Well, let me just finish off real quick, buzz this through real quick. Um, Again, be sure and check out bcgresins.com. Got to mention Josh. Be sure bottom of the homepage, sign up for the newsletter. Still might have something coming out this weekend, maybe. I'm not sure. Josh hasn't said, but he has hinted. So be sure and sign up for the newsletter. Um, go shopping if you run across stuff that is out of stock, and he's generally got them pretty much in on some pages that are you can go through and but if you find something that you really want, check this morning, and he still has two of those Thunderbird engines that he just came out with last week. So, but be sure and use the notify me function when you get to finding something that's out of stock. Put your email address in there, hit the button, and you'll get an email when stuff comes back into stock. Be sure and do that. So anyway, also, and then when you go to checkout, after you find some really cool stuff, maybe you get one of those Thunderbird engines or a Mopar engine or I don't know, set of off-road wheels, tires. And you get over there to check out, be sure and use promo code Jester10. Save you 10% on your order. Does not include shipping, which is $6. We've talked about it before. Josh packs them 5 ways from Sunday, and unless they run over it with a truck, it's probably not going to become damaged. They're going to have to really abuse stuff in order for anything to get damaged. So, but anyway, be sure and do all that, and just you got to kind of wait for the post office to do their bit. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do some research, and I'm tired today, and I don't really want to dig into trying to clean stuff up and uh, figure this thing out because I used a very cheap one that I got at Hobby Lobby for $20. It vibrated and wasn't really very good, and I've now got this set here that is just wow. I'm going to play with it for a little while today and maybe just tinker today. Um, I'll shoot back Sunday if I've got anything coming along. Building the 77 Jeep CJ. Thinking about doing it just straight up box stock. If it comes out well enough, I'm still planning on going up there to Denver for Josh's car model club. They're having that show March 21st. I'm thinking about if it comes out good enough, I just may enter it. Be the first time I've ever entered it. First time I've ever been to a show. So, but hey, we'll see what happens. What's the worst I can do? Not win. And if I do, I'll be surprised. So, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. Y'all listen to me yammer a little bit and brag about what my family got me for Christmas. And by golly, Mom, thank you. Dave, y'all, bless you. Man, I am excited over this. Y'all have a great weekend. Might talk to you Sunday. We'll see what happens. So, B-Tex signing out.